Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latrell. I go by iloveyoutrell, and here on my channel we love to talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle with a few vlogs in between. But today we're actually going to do a haul because Sephora just had their friends and family sale. So if you're plugged in with the right person, girl, you could have got 20% off of everything. So I didn't need anything, but of course I ordered something. So we're going to get into it. Alrighty guys, so we are going to continue on with the summer series. Today is day 2 of the summer series. So if you haven't seen yesterday's, go back and watch it and make sure to subscribe because we got a lot more coming for the rest of the week. So we're gonna get into the Sephora haul because I'm not even gonna front y'all. I haven't even been doing my makeup like that. I haven't been really keeping up with makeup like that. So when I had the opportunity to get 20% off, I was like, okay, let me go dig around and see what I want to get. So I grabbed a few things and it came in the mail. So I'm excited to share them with you guys. Like I said, y'all, I didn't really need nothing, but I wanted some stuff. So one of the things that I've been eyeing for the longest, and it has been sold out since it came out, is the Master Matte eyeshadow palette by Makeup by Mario. So this is a very good, very beautiful, essential, everyday kind of eyeshadow palette. Considering that not only do I do makeup on myself, but I also do it on other people, this eyeshadow palette was so necessary because it is like literally a little bit of everything. Some shades personally probably would not work for me, but they're shades that will, and they will work for other people. So I really wanted to get this. It's been sold out for the longest. So when I found out that it was back in stock and this sale was going on, I had to grab it. Another thing that I got that I haven't necessarily heard too much about, but like I'm into these things, which is mascaras. This is the Lash Amplifying Mascara by Colé, and I haven't personally heard too much about Colé and not enough about like this mascara. I don't know why I picked this mascara from them because there's a lot of other things that I had in my cart that I had been looking at before that I want to try, but like I really needed a mascara. So I wanted to give this one a try, and I think it might have also been because of like the brush. Yeah, I just felt like this brush would be a nice brush that wouldn't get like too thick, but would also like coat my lashes and make them nice and thick. And if I'm not mistaken, Colé is a black owned brand. So of course I wanted to, you know, give my money back to them because like I said, I haven't heard much about it. So if I like it, I'm going back to try some more stuff. Okay, so you guys know here on my channel, we are Fenty Beauty Stans, girl. We are gonna try almost anything that Rihanna puts out. We gonna give it a try. We might return it if we don't like it, but we gonna give it a try. So I did want to try out the brand new Fenty Eavesdrop stick. This is the Blur and Smooth Tint stick. So this is supposed to be like the Eavesdrop's baby sister. Like this is even more natural than the Eavesdrop is. And if you guys are new to my channel, I did a whole wear test. I did a whole foundation routine and everything dedicated to the Fenty Eavesdrop. So I personally, you know, am super excited to give this a try. And we all know here on my channel, I love natural foundations. I'm someone who wants to just kind of enhance the features rather than creating new ones. But I definitely want to give this a try because again, we've been trying out almost all of the Fenty Beauty foundations and we put their claims to the test. So definitely keep an eye out because tomorrow will actually be us getting into this foundation stick. So the next thing I got from Sephora is the brand new Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Awakening Concealer. So this just came out, you guys. I got this because I really like, you know, some of the stuff that Mario's putting out. Obviously I got the Master Mattes. One of the things that I haven't shown you guys that I did get was like one of his like cream blushes, and I got like the foundation. We did a whole video on that. So I really want to give this concealer a try, and it also is a little bit different. No, I don't know what I was expecting. Why I thought this was like a different type of tip. I don't know, but I think I'm thinking of the Rare Beauty tip. Ooh, awkward. But I really want to give this a try because I really like how like natural and just how like enhancing Mario's products are versus just like, you know, cakey. And when he like uses his stuff on Instagram, I'll be sold, girl. I'll be like, yeah, give it to me, Mario. So there, I'm not gonna lie to you guys though, there have been some things that you guys have seen me try out that I have taken back and I've told you guys because I was just like, all right, it's not enough. So I'm hoping that this is going to be enough. Now, I've heard some things about people and the shade range. Some people are saying like it's fairly warm. If you're lighter toned, you know, that might be a problem for you. For darker toned people, is that a problem? I don't think so. We'll be trying this out later this week as well, so make sure you guys, again, are subscribed. Oh, and I will be doing a video at the end of this week that will be sharing with you guys like a lot of products that I've talked to you guys about before on my channel, and if I would repurchase them or if I would not. So that will be coming at the end of this week, like I said. But a product that actually did not make it to that list because it just broke, girl, is the Rare Beauty Stronger Lip Liner. Y'all know I just got this and I love it. I love it so much. I don't know what happened, but like, there's no more product in here. Like, it's in there, but I can't get it out. So I was just like, all right, well, at this point, that's just a loss. So because I was getting 20% off, I decided to go ahead and re-up on the Stronger Lip Liner by Rare Beauty. This is an amazing formula. I really like, besides the fact that I don't know how to get that out, I really like that it's like twist up like products. So I don't have to carry a sharpener. I don't have to worry about it getting like too dull. It's always, you know, able for me to work up. Now, I did decide to get another lip liner while I was at it, and this one is by One Size. It's a lip snatcher, and I got it in the shade Coin Collector. So it is another brown, dark brown lip liner. I just have definitely been into darker lip liners. Today I'm actually wearing Cork by MAC, and I swear this was like a little bit darker on me before, but it's like kind of more like fleshy tone now. So I'm getting into like the darker lip liner. So I wanted to give that a try because I heard that that one is really, really good, and it's like long wearing, which I'm like very intrigued by. So the last thing that I purchased from Sephora is this body wash. This is the Necessaire body wash. This is the eucalyptus one. Now, a lot of people rave about this Necessaire product, and this body wash is actually like the smaller version. So I think this one was like $10. The regular size is like a little bit bigger, and it's about $25 if I'm not mistaken. I still was not like convinced. Like, I have staple body washes that I'm like, I love them, I know they work, I love the scent, so I don't like really venture out of that. But I grabbed this one because, like I said, everyone's always raving about it. So it's eucalyptus scent. I don't know, it's clean. And I told Jordan when I like first smelled it, I was like, I feel like this is something that he would use, like something that he probably has already used, but his body washes like include eucalyptus, so maybe that's why. But maybe it'll smell different when it's like actually on my skin and it's like my natural scent mixed with it. So I'm definitely gonna give it a try. It looks to be like a little bit I don't know if you could tell. It's like, it seems like it's a little bit like loose, like watery compared to like what I use right now. Like my Caress body wash is like pretty thick, and I was also using the Raw Sugar body wash. Yeah, I think that's the name of it, and that one was like really thin as well, but that one didn't lather like I wanted it to. So it had a beautiful scent, but just didn't lather enough. So I went back to my Caress because that has been the only one that I've ever used since I've been able to buy body washes myself. And so now we're gonna try this one out, and I'll definitely let you guys know, probably on my Instagram story or maybe on my email list, if this is like worth a further investment, because like I said, it's a little bit more pricier than regular body wash, but you know, people have been raving about it, so we shall see. I did grab some samples from Sephora. Of course, anytime you order anything, you are allowed to pick out 2 samples. So I grabbed the Good Girl Carolyn Herrera perfume sample. I also got the Versace Euro sample. I gave it to Jordan because he already has that, so I just gave it to him. But that was the second sample. I grabbed some satin black scrunchies because I love scrunchies. I love black scrunchies, and the satin ones really help with like not catching your hair and pulling your hair out or leaving dents. So I definitely think you should invest in those or get them from Sephora. And then the last thing that I got is the Fenty mascara. This is the Hella Thick mascara, and spoiler alert, I have it on my eyes right now. So that is what I got from Sephora. That is my Sephora haul. You guys will again see all of these things for the most part in action this week. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I do post every Tuesday and Friday, but if you can't remember that, just hit that notification bell. That way you will get notified every time I post a video. Make sure to follow me on the Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Lemon8, and now on my website, l.co.com. I'll link all of those things down below so that way you can just easily click and follow, girl. So you don't got no excuses. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of the videos for the rest of this week. But I really want to come back and give you guys a great fun thing to look forward to. So the summer session is that new videos every day for the rest of the week. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.